M4401, please introduce yourself.
I am Lotus Iftar, 39 years old, married. I have 2 kids, 19 years old and 17 years old.
Okay, so Ma'am Lotis, I see you have experience in Saudi Arabia. So what is your main duty and responsibility in Saudi Arabia?
I do general cleaning, cook care, and yogurt. I washing clothes in iron.
Okay.
Clothes.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn the money and experience the culture in the Hong Kong.
Okay. So, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As my employer needs me.
Okay. So, what did you do if the baby or a newborn crying?
First, I check in the diaper if it took fall.
Okay, what else?
I check the temperature if he or she is sick.
Okay. So, are you willing to work, are you willing to co-work with other helper?
Yes.
Okay. What about share room with kids?
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to learn Chinese if the family member cannot speak English?
Yes.
Okay. So, are you willing to accept the holiday setup by the employer?
Yes.
What about work on Sunday?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you sing a nursery rhyme? A nursery rhyme. Any nursery rhyme. A, B, C, D, twinkle, twinkle, anything.
A B C D A F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Okay. Okay. The last is, what is your message to your future employer? What did you do? What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I do my best as your domestic helper.
Okay. Thank you.